I have the a product from a company called I don't know exactly how to say the name, so I'm gonna kind of spell it. It's Smatree. Smatree. I'm not sure. I've never heard anybody pronounce it. Here's the box. This is a cold unboxing. I've never had this product out of the box. It was sent to me. I purchased this from Amazon. It was sent out from an Amazon company, and in full disclosure, for the Mavic 2 generation of drones. And what it is the fast charger. It will charge the Mavic in, I think the advertiser was saying half the time as the standard Mavic 2 charger that comes included with the drone does, but we will test that in a further review. So let's get on to the unboxing portion of the video. Okay, it's not sealed in any way by a piece of plastic. So we have a little pamphlet here with the information about the company and what drone is for. It's in a couple different languages here, like 5 different languages. We have a charging cord here, a standard US AC adapter with these, I don't know what this connector is called with the 2 plugs, but this is standard US wall charger right here. I'm going to unwrap the cord here. It looks like they give you a fairly good length of cord, so you don't necessarily have to sit it right on top of the outlet. Yep, you can, you've got, I'm going to say this is like at least 3 feet of cord, so you got some room to play, that's always a good thing. And on to the main event here. Here is the charger in this kind of white box with a little diagram and the company name, or actually what the thing is battery charger. So let's dive into this. Let's figure out how to open it. From the top here. All right, here is the fast charger itself. Okay, here at this end is where you put this in for the AC. Here is the name of the company again in green lettering, and here is the proprietary connector for the Mavic 2 series of drones. So this goes in like this. It goes in real nice and tight. Gives me the specs on here. It has an input of a 100 volts to 240 VAC, 50 to 60 megahertz, an output DC 17.6 V, dash 4.8 amps. That means anything to anybody more technical here. And he actually, on the outside of the box, it gave some specs. It says output DC 17.6 volts, 4.8 A. So I guess amperes. So again, any electricians out there, people that are well versed in electronics, I hope those numbers meant anything for you. This is made in China. Okay, flash forward 9 months to February 2020, and we're going to revisit the Smatree fast charger for the Mavic 2 series of DJI drones. Okay, after testing for, again, 9 months, I received this in May of 2019, shortly after my Mavic 2 Pro arrived. I find that this is much faster charging the batteries than the unit that comes with the charging unit that comes with the Mavic 2 Pro. I'm going to say this is almost half as fast, even though it's rated at 30% faster than the OEM battery, but I think it's even a little faster than that. And it's a 90-watt charger. I said that in the first part. And it was 9 months ago. And again, I've thoroughly tested this, and even after charging a battery, even 2 batteries, the unit doesn't overheat. It stays nice and cool. The wires don't get hot, and it's a little indicator light here that is going to be hard to see. This looks like a button, but it's really not. It's just an impression. But right beside that little LCD, that'll I think it's yellow and then turns green when the battery is fully charged, or maybe it's red, turns green when fully charged. But you'll know, and it won't overcharge. It'll it'll stop charging once the battery reaches the voltage it should. So again, I've used it. I don't know how many times, but a lot of times, and it's tested. It stood the test of time. So I highly recommend the product, and I think you'll like it if you want your batteries charged. If you have, like me, I have the Mavic 2 Pro. I have two batteries, so I could put the one it needs, the fastest charge on this, and I could put the second battery on the standard charge, so I can get both batteries topped off, and maybe put the battery that's the lowest in charge on this thing because it's a little bit faster. So it works out nice. So I think I think you'll be happy with this product. The Mavic 2 series of drones, in about an hour's time, 55 to 60 minutes, and where the original one takes almost up to 2 hours, or at least an hour and a half, close to 2 hours, to charge a battery to full. So again, after 9 months of testing, I highly recommend the Smatree fast charger. It's available on Amazon.com for $31.99, and if you're a Prime member, you can get free 2-day shipping for it. So it's a good buy. I'm going to leave the links down below for you to click on and purchase it. And if you use my links, I'll get a small commission off that, which I'll use to buy more products to review on the channel. So I appreciate that. And if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel and ringing that notification bell so you'll know when I post new videos. And that's about it, and we'll see you in the next one.